I think it's very important for students to understand that leadership doesn't always mean that you're out front leading the charge. Having students in student leadership teams connects them with other students who have similar interests, connects them with adults who have similar interests that they wouldn't necessarily always get to be with. And then it also allows them to shine and then get to show what they're good at.
And we were all in the cafeteria and there was a ton of teachers trying to get us on their lead team, and they all had cardboard presentation boxes trying to get us hyped up about it.
There were many options for you to pick, and you get to pick your top 3.
Students don't get to know their leadership team before lead assembly, so the excitement is partially because they don't know what's about to happen, and then the other part is that you're walking into the gym and it doesn't look like the gym, and so that's always exciting. And they come down and they get excited to see what friends they have on their teams and what teachers they're paired with for their leadership teams. It's just exciting to get to see what they're going to be doing for the next few weeks and what they get to explore.
When we were getting picked into our leadership teams, everything was decorated and there's like flight attendants there. Mr. Holt was a pilot. Once I got called for my top 1, I was really excited and nervous.
I got on the STEM team for my leadership team. She said we might bake some stuff using math and science. We're gonna do paper airplane. We'll measure the velocity and stuff like that. So it sounds really fun.
We believe pretty strongly that leadership is a choice, that it's not tied to a position or a title, so that every student can find something that they're passionate about, find something that is a strength for them so that they can take ownership of that. And across the district, especially in our elementary buildings, we have leadership roles in classrooms, and then of course we have our leadership teams that students can choose to be a part of.
People will tell me stories about things that kids say, and last year we had several students who had a lot of connections to their leadership team outside of school. So like, my dad's a carpenter and I really wanted to join woodworking, or my uncle is deaf or hard of hearing and I wanted to be able to communicate with him, so I joined the sign language group. And we had one kid who told his teacher last Friday that he had just been hoping and praying and putting good vibes in to be able to be on the student leadership team that he was on, and then he got on it and it was just, that made his day. And so hearing stories like that really helps to know that we're doing the right thing here and doing what's best for students.